Strange Talk, in Class 2 introduces children to animals that talk in amusing ways. The poem delights young readers with imaginative scenarios where animals speak with unique voices and expressions. Each animal's peculiar manner of speech adds humor and curiosity to the narrative, making it both entertaining and educational. Through these playful interactions, children learn about language diversity and creative storytelling. Subscribe to Bharat Self-Learning for enriching educational content that enhances children's reading skills and fosters their imagination. Discover more captivating stories and poems like Strange Talk that engage young minds and encourage a love for learning.